I'm Charles Moffett, and this is my wife, Salve. We've been married 36 years. We were married, of all places, in Hong Kong, but we've traveled all over the world together. We just retired last February. I was in the United States Navy, and I served on the aircraft carrier USS Philippine Sea during the Korean War. It was a real pleasure working with low VA rates. I guess what I noticed the most was they kept right on top of things and kept me informed at every step of the way. They've refinanced 2 times for us. The people I worked with there, Emilio and Garrett, were very attentive, and they kept me informed at all times. Our mortgage was refinanced twice using the hybrid ARM approach. The hybrid ARM was a very nice setup. For 5 years, the interest rate is fixed. And then after that, it can increase if necessary, or I suppose decrease, 1% a year. The first refi reduced my mortgage payments from $300. And then the second refi, it was a cash out, so we could get cash to do some upgrades in our house. We were real pleased with low VA rates from the beginning to the end. And in fact, I've recommended them to a couple of my family members who were considering refinancing.